Hi, it's Zach, and I'm really excited to bring you today's deal on the two-piece emergency sleep kit. This is an awesome set that comes with a Mylar blanket as well as a Mylar sleeping bag, and it uses that material for two reasons. One, it's miraculous and efficient at keeping you warm and dry, which is number one in an emergency situation. Shelter is key. And number two, it's highly reflective, which makes it super easy to spot in case you're in an emergency situation and you're stranded somewhere. Now, this kit does come with the blanket and the sleeping bag. Obviously, the blanket's nice for keeping you nice and warm. You can cover yourself with it, but when it comes to sleeping at night and giving yourself shelter, that sleeping bag is gonna come into play and it's gonna work wonders. Now, the blanket measures 6.5 feet by 4 feet, and the sleeping bag measures 6.5 feet by 3 feet, so there's plenty of room on both. Now, what's great about this kit, not only is it highly efficient, it's also super compact. Easy to fit in any bug out bag, hiking pack, glove box. You can even put this inside your pocket without weighing you down at all. And for something that's so lightweight and compact, it's gonna be the most important thing you have in your survival kit. Now, this kit is for more than just survival situations. Let's say you get a flat tire in the middle of the road and you need to change it, but the ground's super wet. You can lay this down as a nice platform to work on. It's gonna keep you nice and dry because of the Mylar's waterproof capabilities. You can use this if it gets cold and rainy all of a sudden. You wrap yourself up in a blanket if you didn't bring a jacket with you. It's also great for sporting events when you're outdoors. Just keep it in your bag with you. Now, we have a fantastic deal on this two-piece kit. It's a small price to pay, especially for something that could save your life one day. So head on over to the site and grab yours today.